G'day guys, Matt here from Clearscape. Today we're out on a private job in the Redlynch Valley with the RC mower, and you can see in the background there's a sloping block behind this development lot, and they're just before they're about to build, so it's an empty vacant lot, and they've subdivided all the areas in here and a nice sloping hill at the back there leading directly into the back of the rainforest here, which is pretty awesome. So customer wants access down into here. They've managed to mow this quite well, it's all flat, and we want to make sure they can get up and down there. There's no snakes and stuff living in there for the kids, so we'll see how we go. We'll get it mowed and see what it looks like at the end. Well, there we go. A few hours and all mowed the customer's slope. Creeped up over there, can only go to his boundary. Very steep top part of the section. Some of that's a cliff edge right there. It's hard to see in the video, but all that's 42 degrees. That's well over 50, maybe 60 degrees. And this is probably 38 degrees, 40 degrees. Get around the bend here too. This is the easement, so much neater as well. Very overgrown.